in Thailand, and the capital city of Thailand is Bangkok, but I am a northern people who was born and live in a small province in the north of Thailand called Nan. Nan province located in the north of Thailand, which become popular in the past few years because there are so much the tourist attractions. For example, Huang Meng Walking Street and Pumin Temple. For Huang Meng Walking Street, there are a lot of local food. For example, Nam Prik Num, Nam Prik Ong, and Nam Nghiao. And for Pumin Temple, there are the famous mural called Grasiblak Balilo. Thank you. Hello everyone, I'm Tang Gwa. This is my last video recording. So I'm going to talk about what I learned at Maru CHOT for 3 weeks. Of course, I learned about English grammar in both basic and advanced. I learned about 12 tenses, which is the grammar part, and I learned about the seafarers vocabularies for preparing myself for doing the marine test, and second, for the exam. The most difficult part in the exam based on my experience and my perspective is the listening part. So, if you are interested in this field, don't forget to improve your listening skills. Thank you.